This is the village that I decided to make myself. I decided I wanted one, but you know, they're really super expensive. So I craft, and I can pretty much make anything if I want to. So that's what I did. Made my own village, and I'm really proud of it. I'm going to show you the back of it as well. I don't have a lot of space to put it, but it worked out. Okay, I'm going to show you a little closer. This is my Cup of Joe coffee house, and the people I did buy, this was actually a birdhouse from the Dollar Tree that I had. So I made it into a toy store. Here's the church. Made out of cardboard, and I covered it with air dry clay. You can make imprints on it, make it look like bricks. It's got some texture. Okay. I had a family up here on the hill playing. This is the first house that I made. It's made out of cardboard, and it's covered with some cut up popsicle sticks to make it look like siding. And if you can see this, this is my sleigh and Santa. They had all these little reindeer in a pack. They all had red noses. They're the same reindeer. I just painted all of them black and left one red. Made the sleigh. And I've got Santa Claus over here next to him. And there's a place for tubing, which I have down here. It's a tubing rentals. If you can see, I made those little tiny ice skates out of air dry clay. They worked out. And I bought the little skating rink. I could have made that. And I forget the reason I didn't. I think it's because I couldn't get people that actually sit on top. They all were already made that way. Here's the gazebo. That was a last minute thing. It's a little crooked. It was kind of hard actually to get it symmetrical. So it's not. And this house. This house took forever. I took coffee stir sticks and cut them up for bricks. And I also used them, the ends of them, to make shingles for the roof. And I have some animals that I bought. You can get a lot of the supplies, you know, real cheap in certain places if you know where to look. And then, of course, depending on how fast you need them. Some of the animals I bought last minute from Amazon because I couldn't wait on them elsewhere. Oh yeah, and this little place was a last minute doodad. That's my tree farm. And I just put some popsicle sticks in a circle, basically, for that. And I got a big tree with some presents. And I got these little lamp posts that you can put batteries in, and so they light up. They're not super bright, but they've got a little bit of light. And then I just took some battery-operated lights that I had and used them on the rest of the village. And I bought some stuff that I can use as sidewalk. It's just rubberized material. And so I made this at a fraction of what I would have paid for a real village. And if you do a good job, I mean, I'm more than happy with how this turned out. Yeah, there were mistakes and there was learning curves, and if I could do it again, it would be better. I got a cricket for Christmas, and from what I understand, I can actually cut out my pieces if I want to remake these. And so they would be, cut perfectly, because mine weren't. But all in all, I think I did a really good job. And so if you want more videos about this, next year, or you want me to make one for you, let me know. I can't guarantee it would be, I guess it would be cheaper, than buying one. But labor for me to do this would actually cost a good bit. But it is homemade, and so that makes it worth a whole lot more money, actually. If it's not turned out to be crap. Okay, that's it. Bye now.